Hi, I'm Wyleaf with the Traxa team. Traxa is a crowdsourced global database of the locations of intermodal shipping containers. Anyone can use our mobile app to take a picture of a shipping container, mint an NFT, and be rewarded with tokens. Every year, tens of millions of intermodal shipping containers crisscross the Earth, traveling along sea routes, transitioning to land, and moving on trucks to their destinations. Within sophisticated ports and storage facilities, containers are tracked with high-speed cameras and other expensive tech. But once they leave these areas, nobody knows where they are. Containers are lost every day, adding up to billions in losses per year. And why is this? You might think that the supply chain is digitized and you can locate containers as easily as you can find your iPhone. But in reality, it's a complex system of routes handled by different companies, each with their own siloed databases. In fact, the truckers and ship captains are themselves independent contractors. There's no overarching view of how containers move. Supply chain has been talked about as a great use case for the blockchain for a long time, and IBM and shipping giants like Maersk have been trying to create a shared ledger. But they only work with data that is already digitized. They don't help track the containers during the majority of their journey, which is outside the endpoints. This all changes with the blockchain infrastructure provided by Arweave. We can now create a decentralized and immutable ledger that can be a unifying layer for different systems, providing a permanent record available to anyone. And the profit-sharing tokens available on Arweave are the perfect way to distribute ownership in Traxa to those who help create and maintain the network. Using profit-sharing tokens, Traxa incentivizes individuals to participate in updating our global ledger by tagging containers and container locations as easily as taking a picture. Truckers, yard workers, ship captains, and other individuals can help to update the data and be compensated for doing so. Let's see how it works. When you first launch the app, we show you a short tutorial to walk you through the process. Traxa makes it incredibly easy for anyone to update the location of a shipping container. Just snap a photo and the app does the rest. And then behind the scenes, we have an AI service that validates the container, mints the NFT, gets the GPS and container ID, and writes the information. You can see the resulting image here, the Arweave record, and then the short video clip that's stored. What we're doing is we're building a two-sided marketplace for container location information. We will sell this information to third-party logistics companies and insurance providers. We're starting by working on the supply side with an app for end users, and we're going to use token incentives to get coverage for the areas where today's information systems don't track the container information. Finally, we're going to build a metered API to charge for easy access to this valuable data. As for us, we're veterans of logistics and IoT. More importantly, we're building a worldwide community and a DAO that brings together the IP, the manpower, and the financial resources to bring positive change to the intermodal global supply chain. On the one hand, we are degens, but on the other hand, we really believe in using the tools of the blockchain, NFTs, and DeFi to solve real-world problems. We've been working incredibly hard over the past few weeks to get this alpha version of our app ready, and we're happy to announce that it's available to use today on Android. If you or someone you know works in the logistics industry, or if you know people working with intermodal shipping containers, come talk to us after the presentations. And we're really excited to announce that we are launching a campaign to get 500 containers scanned within the next month. Visit mvp.traxa.io to get started. With that, thank you so much. Come find us on Discord and Twitter. And I'd like to say thank you to the members of our Discord community who've been working really hard to put this together. Chris Crypto, FireMonkey, Marplex, Usama, and also to all of the Open Web Foundry advisors with Arweave. We couldn't have done it without you. And to the rest of you out there, we're looking for the truckers, longshoremen, and everyday people passionate about logistics. See you out on the road.